Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code exiled in code Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step on understanding error code exiled. Content error code exiled in Call of Duty Warzone typically indicates a direct or correlated crash, often manifesting as a game freeze followed by a disk-top return. This error is primarily client-side, suggesting an issue with your system's hardware drivers or software interacting with the game rather than a problem with the game servers. Common underlying causes include outdated or corrupted graphics, drivers, and overloaded due to high graphics settings, conflicts with background applications, or corrupted game files. It signifies that your graphics rendering device has encountered an unrecoverable problem.
Step update graphics drivers and Windows OS. Content outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a leading cause of error. Exiled. Begin by performing a clean installation of the latest graphics drivers. For your NVIDIA ARM or Intel. For NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience. For ARM, use Radeon software or download directly from the manufacturer's website. Choose the custom or clean installation option. During the process to remove all driver files, simultaneously ensure your Windows operating system is fully up to date by navigating to Settings, Update, Security, Windows Update, and installing all available updates, as critical system updates can include stability fixes for directs and other components.
Step by optimizing game graphics settings and disable overlays. Content overburdening your GUI with excessively high graphics settings can trigger error exiled, especially if your hardware is not top tier. Launch Warzone, go to Graphics, Settings, and reduce demanding options such as texture resolution, shadow quality, anti-aliasing, and render resolution scale. If enabled, disable ray tracing and experiment with lower settings for features like friend usage. Target additionally disable all third-party overlays, the Discord overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, Xbox Game Bar, as they can sometimes interfere with game processes and cause crashes. Restart the game after making these changes. Step verify game files and reinstall shaders. Content corrupted or missing game files can lead to instability and crashes. Utilize your game launcher's built-in repair function for Battle.net. Select Warzone and click Options. Then scan and repair for Steam. Right-click the game, go to Properties. Then Local Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. After verifying, it's crucial to reinstall the game's shaders. Launch Warzone, navigate to Graphics, Settings, scroll down and find the option to reinstall shaders or install optimized shaders. Allow this process to complete entirely before attempting to play, as corrupted shader caches are a frequent cause of display-related errors.
Step perform system checks and advanced troubleshooting. Content. If the error persists, conduct deeper system checks. Monitor your GUI and GUI temperatures using software like MSI Afterburner or Monitor to rule out overheating. Run a system file check by opening Command Prompt as administrator and tipping Scan to repair corrupted Windows system files. Consider reinstalling directs runtime libraries often found in the game's installation folder or downloaded from Microsoft as a last resort. A clean reinstallation of Call of Duty Warzone itself can resolve deeply embedded file corruption issues. If you suspect hardware instability, testing your RAM or GUI with diagnostic tools might be necessary.